This is a 21-foot Micro Minnie 2106DS for double sofa. Here's the back. As you come around to the driver's side, you can see the hookups there. Okay, you've got satellite, park cable, water, okay, a shower. There's the slide out. As you keep walking around towards the front, driver's side, here's one of your storage compartment bins. It is a pass-through. There you can see your trailer hitch, your cord, sewer pipe. There you can see all the way through. You keep walking around towards the front. Okay, here's the generator stand, automatic electric jack, tanks. They're currently covered. Keep walking around. Now you can see the other side of the pass-through, the slide, which is currently not all the way out because it'll touch my house. Okay, here's the other side of the pass-through. Lots of good storage in this unit. Goes all the way through. A couple camp chairs, whatever you want in there. Okay, as you come on here, you can see the speakers, another window, the cooling thing for the refrigerator, the hot water tank. There's the automatic water fill, fresh water fill. As you walk up the steps, 2 steps, immediately towards your right is the Murphy bed and sofa. There you go, right there. Lots of nice storage there on both sides, closets, window, nice light in this unit. As you keep going more to the left, there's the main sofa with a portable table that will fit behind the couch with the slide in or out to store it. You can see a nice TV. There's speakers. There's a DVD player, radio. As you look back, you can see the entrance into the bathroom, the refrigerator, a 3-burner stovetop, oven, 2 sinks, storage below and above, microwave. Here's the units to manage all of your water tank levels and the slides. Okay, an extra lift up to give you more counter space. As you go back here, nice clean refrigerator.